We uncover why the cube root of 17576 is exactly 26. So no guesswork, just clean math. So let's break it down. So hey math explorers, welcome back to my channel. So 17576 looks intimidating, but it hides a perfect cube. So we will reveal how to spot it using simple method. So 17576 in terms of prime factorization, after multiplying we get 26 times 26 times 26, or you can write it as 2 times 2 times 2 times 13 times 13 times 13. So it's 2 power 3 times 13 power 3. So it's 17576. Now if I'll take cube root both sides, we have, because we have to find the cube root of this. So cube root of 17576, this I can write it as 2 power 3 power 1 by 3 times 13 power 3 power 1 by 3. So cube root of 17576 is 2 times 13, that is 26. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.